Hello fellow traders, Paul Lim with Big Kahuna Trading Club. Got another hot stock here that's looks like it's ready to perk up. This is ABAT, and I actually have another bonus stock behind it, FROG. Did want to cover that one before the weekend because it's looking like it's ready to take off too. But really good setup on it, high momentum. This is not a low risk stock. You can see the volatility, just huge volatility on it, so you don't want to put your life savings into it. You can drive the risk down on this one with options, but this one overall looks really good. I believe they make electric batteries for electric cars, so we'll get more into the cycle breakdown here in a minute when we come back. But first, before we dive in, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe. It really helps us reach more traders like you and keeps you updated on our latest trading tips. Also, we're looking for talent, maybe someone who's not locked into their own way of trading and is open to exploring a new outside-the-box form of cycle-based trading, which we use to swing trade equities and day trade indexes, SPY, QQQ, and futures. If you have any interest in that, DM me through our social media or email me at paul@bigkahunatradingclub.com and I'll give you more information. Okay, market is still holding the A+ rating. Dow Jones 30, as you can see right here, just pretty much pulling back to that 10 MA. Get the Jay Powell speech tomorrow at Jackson Hole. Should know a little bit more about potential for interest rate cuts. We'll see. But anyways, the market has been pretty rocky the last few days because of that, but still maintaining A+ rating so far. Okay, breaking down the cycles in the cup, I did make some slight adjustments based on the bar count. Move this out to TM2 because the fractal was actually more obvious right here. TM3A here, the 5-month cycle. So this is a 3.5-month cycle, TM2, and this is a 5 to 7-month cycle, TM3A, and get the TM3B up here. And so basically we came back, retested that $2 psychological price point. And we're probably going to pop to, let me just pull this over here. We're going to probably pop this to the $3 psychological price point and then retest back into that. But, you know, if you want to just scale into this, one of the easy things to do is just buy a breakout of a 5-bar high, 10-bar high, and a 25-bar high. So scale in 1/3, 1/3, 1/3. So, you know, if you get a couple more days of, you know, chop over here and you get a clean 5-bar break here and then 10-bar break here, by the time you get out here, 25 might be up here. So you're averaging in instead of overcommitting in case you get more sideways chop. But this looks pretty good. I mean, it did pull back pretty steeply from $4 down to $2, but we do have a price squeeze starting to come in at that $2 PPP. So we'll see. I really think we need to get out here to about a TM1 cycle, which should be about right there on the set. Looks to be about the first week of September. And then a pullback there, maybe retest of 250. But again, you can scale in on it. Just very, very high vector stocks, so you got to be careful with it. So long-term cycle on this TY-1 off of the IPO. TY-1's about right there. It's one of our IPO cycles, and didn't really get outside of that till about over here, and had 150% gain so far, coming back retesting that breakout. Looks like it will continue back up. Let's take a look at the next stock, one I just wanted to put here because it's really acting good. And just look at the price action on it. 1.6 BMI on the left hand side of that. TY2 cycle off of the IPO, a 3.5 year cycle. And so once you get inside the cup, you had a TM5 cycle. It's a one year, 12 to 15 month cycle set, and then a TSS pullback inside of that, about a TM1. And right now it's acting pretty good. You got the $50 psychological price point right above, and so it may be ready to gun for that. You can see once it gets moving, 121% gain in 3.5 months over here. So if you get some blue sky territory above that $50 mark, this one can move pretty quickly over a few month period. Also optionable, and with that distant overhead supply, in fact we're coming out of a key primary dominant cycle, would not be surprised to see it really scoot above that $50 level. So looking pretty good too. Again, this is JFrog Inc. and the prior stock was ABAT, American Battery. If you're interested in a trading style and want to join the club or get one-on-one coaching, head over to cycletradingtraining.com. Hope you enjoyed the video. Take care.